Saturday, August 14th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Want to do a quick video on my performax detail sander. Be using it for the first time today. Let's take a look at it. Really want to see how the finger attachment works. Goes on simple. Little screw connects it to the sander itself. Comes with all sorts of paper, 80 grit, 100 grit, 120 grit, everything. This is how it'll end up looking. Let's take it outside. Some of you know I installed an outdoor security camera in the back. Had some trouble. Take a look at that video. You'll see what happened. So I filled in the hole with some putty. I'll use the sander to sand it down. Yep, right there. Also noticed a couple holes on the garage. So I decided to use that same putty to fill them in. Then what I'll do is just take the sander, sand them down. Putty is nice and dry. I added a second camera by the garage. So I finished with the install, realized it needs to be moved up further so I can see this whole area. So when I did that, 2 of the screw holes were exposed, so I filled them in. I know I'm outside, but this isn't as loud as my orbital sander. Let's listen in. It's getting the job done. This 120 is okay. Maybe I should have used a 100 grit sandpaper. I would like to use a bigger one though. Get the job done. Wrap it up. By the way, if you're doing something like this, don't go too deep in the siding or you might mess it up. First hole turned out well. The second one seems to need a little more work. I should add some more putty. Sand it again. All right. I'll go over to the house now. I don't want to move the camera, so the finger attachment is ideal for something like this. Gonna go right up there and take care of it. As you can see, I didn't use a patch. I just filled the hole in with putty. Dried like this. That's okay, I'll just add more putty after I'm done sanding. Love the finger attachment though. Comes in handy. Gets right under this camera and in areas that you can't normally get to. That's why this is so important to have. Phase 1 complete. Let me show you the all-purpose putty I use for this job. Here it is. Got it from Home Depot. Works great. Comes with its own cream hardener too. Don't use too much of it. Dries fast. Just add a pinch to whatever you're doing, especially if it's something small like this. Then mix it in real well. You don't have a lot of time. Decided to change the grit of the sandpaper. I'll take this, go up the ladder, finish up. Usually I wait till the next day for something like this, but I told you this creamer makes the putty so hard, so fast. It feels like a brick already. I think I made the right choice when switching the 120 to the 100 grit paper. Seems to be much more appropriate. Don't worry about the caulk around the camera, I'll take care of that. The sander seems to collect dust well. I don't have a mask on or glasses, and that's a no-no, but I don't see too much of it flying around. You know why the caulk looks like that? Because I did it on the left side of the camera instead of moving the ladder to the right side to do the right side. Anyway, this is smooth, so that's fine. I'll go down there and take care of the other hole. I used a rougher grit to finish up. That's done. Went over that one again. Turned out well. After 2 coats of paint, you'll never know that there was a hole here. There are many ways you can repair holes on your siding. Clean the area first, real good, real thorough. Sand it a bit, then go to work. Almost forgot about the holes next to the camera. They've been filled, sanded, and painted. brand new. Time to clean up. You guys can subscribe if you like. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.